How to copy and paste content from Deepseek to Microsoft Word document. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to copy and paste content from Deepseek to Microsoft Word document. So first of all, as you can see that on the Deepseek AI platform, I have this particular document or some content that I want to paste on my Microsoft Word, or you can even paste it to your notes if you're using MacBook. The process is quite similar. In order to paste the content, what anyone would do is just they would just simply click on this copy icon from the bottom of the page, and they will open their note section or their Microsoft Word and just simply paste it over here. But the problem with this method, as you can see, is these particular icons, that these hashtags, these star icons, and these arrows and all, which doesn't look very professional, and they also doesn't make any sense because it just interrupts the flow of reading of the reader. So we don't want this in our document. So just simply remove all of this, delete this, and now in order to paste it properly, all you have to do is just simply select each and every content from the page like this. So I'm going to select the content like this. Now just select everything. Obviously, this particular diagram will not get copied. You need to download this in order to get this in your notes or in your Microsoft Word. And after that, just right click on this particular content and click on copy. And now open your notes or wherever you want to copy or paste this particular content. And over here, just simply click on Command V or Control V in order to paste it. And now, as you can see, this problem has solved. Now there is no such icons or arrows or whatever that you were seeing earlier. There is simple text that you can, read without any interruption. And you can also try to get this particular diagram also. Just simply click on download, and this diagram will get download in PNG, code, or SVG. And after that, you can just simply go ahead and paste it over here. And yeah, that's how you do it. That's the correct way to copy and paste your content from Deepseek to Microsoft Word document or in your notes, wherever you want to. I hope you find this video to be helpful.